Hey guys, so today we're asked how to find the middle line between these two equations. So the first thing I did was writing this equation in a more easy to read way. So I just move y to be in one side and the x's to be in the other side and the numbers. So we got these two equations. Okay, so this is the green one and this is like the yellow one. Okay. Uh, okay. So then what I said was, then what we understand that there is middle line, and the nice thing about the middle line that each point on the middle line will have the exact same distance from this point to this line and this point to the other line. Okay, so we're gonna have the same distance, so it doesn't matter which point we get the same distance. Okay, because that's what we were asked to find, how to find this parallel middle line. And if you want, by the way, I will write the formula on how to find it for any two lines, parallel lines. Uh, just so subscribe to the channel and I will do it. And anyway, so we were asked, and what we did now is look at this point, okay? We look at each point and we understand that the the distance will gonna be the same, and I just took a point here on this line, a yellow white line, and I took this point, and this point is 0 and 1. How did I know it's 0 and 1? I just look on this equation, what happened when x is 0, because it's easy for me, and I got when x is 0, I get 1, okay? And now I ask, okay, I know what is gonna be the slope for this line, and now how do I know? I know that the slope of this one times this slope is gonna be minus 1, okay? If you don't remember this fact, it's because we know they're gonna have a 90 degrees angle between them, and there is a sentence in math says that if they have a 90 degrees between them, the multiplication of the slope is gonna be minus 1. So I know the multiplication of the slope is minus 1, I know this slope, so it's really easy to get this slope. And after I get this slope, and I have this point, I can build the equation for this line. And when I have the equation for this line, it's really easy to find this point. So that's exactly what I did. I just discover this equation, okay? And then I look for the intersection between the two lines, the green line and the purple line. I got the results, I wrote them. And then what I did was, I know that this point is gonna have to be in the middle between them, because we said we're looking for the same exact distance between the both of them, so they're gonna be on the middle of this line. So if I have this line, I just gonna take the middle, and the pink line, it's gonna be the exact middle. So what I did was just doing the average. So this x times that x divided by 2, the average I got minus 12 divided by 13, and I did the same for the y. I got 31 divided by 13. So I wrote it, and then what I did was, I know this slope because this slope have the same slope as this one and this one, which is 2 divided by 3, and I have a point. Now I just discovered the equation. So I just put everything inside, and then I get that the b is 3. Okay? So here the b is 3. And then what happened? I just discovered the equation and point for the results. Okay, so again, our idea is, we know we can easily take any point here. So I just took 0 and 1. It's just an easy point. I took this point on this line, and then I look for the equation for the perpendicular line. So this line which creates a 90 degrees angle. I look for this equation. When I found it, I look for the intersection with the other line. When I found the intersection with the other line, okay, I just took the average between the 2 points. So these two intersections. When I took the average between the two intersections, I got this point. When I got this point and I know the slope, because easy to find, what I did now was just get the equation for this line and finish the question. So guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I am out.